One of MRP's most important activities is to transform independent demand into dependent demand. Independent demand is done at a master scheduling level, while dependent demand is calculated. Let's take a look at an example. Let's take, for example, item A. This item, A, is an independent demand item. This is what the customer orders. In other words, it is the end item. But to make item A, we need 2 of item B and 2 of item C. You can also see that item B is made with 2 of item D and 4 of item E. In addition to this, C is made with 2 of item F and 4 of item G. These components are dependent demand that is used to make item A. You may be wondering, how do I know how many of each component I need? This is calculated by MRP using the bill of materials. As you can see, item A is an independent demand item and is built with dependent demand items. When MRP calculates the amount of dependent demand items needed to build the independent demand, it uses the bill of materials and the number of end items ordered to calculate what is needed. We'll look into this with more detail in upcoming modules, as well as the details of independent and dependent demand. We'll see you soon.